Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zoho CRM custom modules for service requests, full guide step by step clearly. To enable custom modules for service requests in Zoho CRM, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the settings icon. In the settings menu, find and select Modules and Fields. This will take you to the Modules page, where you can see all current modules. Look for the option that says Create New Module or a similar phrase. Click on it to initiate the creation of a custom module. In the Module Creation window, enter a name for your custom module that relates to service requests. Define the singular and plural name for better clarity. Next, you will need to choose the fields for your module. Select the type of fields you want to include, such as text, drop-down, or date fields. Once you have added the necessary fields, click on Save to create the module. After saving, return to the Modules page to see your newly created module. Now, you need to add this module to the layout for your service team. Go back to the settings and select the Layout option under the Customization section. Find your custom module from the list of available modules and drag it to your desired layout. Once positioned, save the layout to retain the changes. Next, it's essential to set permissions for your custom module. Navigate to the Field Permissions section under the same settings menu. Here, you can define who has access to view or edit your new module. Adjust the permissions according to your team's needs and save your changes. You can now create new records in your custom module by returning to the main dashboard. Select your module from the menu to add new service requests. Fill in the details as required and click Save to create a new record. Your custom module is now fully enabled and ready for use in managing service requests. Make sure to inform your team about the new module and its functionalities. Regularly review and update your custom module to ensure it meets evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.